700 Basic using the Supermaster reset code. The Supermaster reset code can only be used if it is activated before the manager code has been changed. This video will cover changing the Supermaster reset code to activate it and then using it to reset the lock. So to change the Supermaster reset code, press and hold 0 for 3 seconds until a double beep sounds and the LED stays on. Enter the default factory Supermaster reset code, which is 8 5s, but hold down the last digit for 3 seconds. A second set of double beeps sounded and the LED stayed on. Press 0, a double beep sounds, and then enter the new Supermaster reset code, which must be 8 digits. A double beep sounds, enter again to confirm. A double beep sounds and the LED turns off, and that's the Supermaster reset code changed. So I'll now quickly change the manager code from the default 1 2 3 4 5 6 to something else so that we can see the lock has been reset. That's the manager code changed. So now, supposing we've lost that manager code, we can now use the Supermaster reset code to reset it back to 1 2 3 4 5 6. So to use the Supermaster reset code, press and hold 0 until a double beep sounds and the LED stays on. Enter the Supermaster reset code and hold down the last digit for 3 seconds. A double beep has sounded and we can now press 8 to reset the lock. A double beep sounds and the LED goes out, so now that manager code will have reset to 1 2 3 4 5 6. When the Supermaster reset code is used to reset the lock, the manager code has been reset to 1 2 3 4 5 6, but the Supermaster reset code stays on the code that it was changed to. If it's necessary to reset the lock completely back to factory settings, a reset box must be used in the lock body, so the lock has to be accessible, i.e. the safe door must be open.